In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to personalize your site with unique CSS styles or incorporate specific functionality using HTML or JavaScript, adding custom code can truly enhance your website's appearance and capabilities. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. To begin, make your way to the home page of your Squarespace account. Once you're there, look for the menu on the left side of your dashboard. This will be your primary navigation tool as we go through this process. From the home page, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Website. This is your portal to all the customization tools Squarespace offers for your site. Next, when you arrive on the Website section, your next step is to click on Pages. The Pages section is essential because it's organized to help you manage the content across different parts of your website. By navigating here, you're in the right place for accessing the key customization settings. Now that you're in the Pages section, keep an eye out for the option labeled Custom Code. Selecting this option is crucial because it directs you to where you can input your unique coding elements for styling or additional functionalities. You might find this section a bit intimidating if you're not familiar with coding, but don't worry, Squarespace makes it quite manageable. Once inside the Custom Code area, look for an option called Custom CSS. Clicking this will take you to a workspace designed for adding CSS, a type of programming language used to define the style of a website. With this interface, you can easily paste in your CSS code to change the visual elements of your site according to your preferences. Now, let's move on to inputting your custom code. In the code editing area, you're free to paste the code you've prepared. This could include anything from styling changes to specific layout alterations that improve the user experience on your site. By doing this, you're telling the platform exactly how you want your website to look and behave, beyond the default templates provided by Squarespace. After you're satisfied with the code you've entered, it's essential to save your changes. You'll find a Save button usually located at the upper or lower corner of the interface. Make sure to click on it. This action ensures that your code modifications are applied to the site, making your adjustments live for all your visitors. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you now know how to add custom code to your Squarespace website. It opens up many opportunities for enhancing your online presence, providing you with the flexibility to create a site that's truly unique and tailored to your needs. Thank you for tuning in, and happy coding!